So here you remember writing a formula of molecular compounds. All of you should remember. If you know the valencies of elements, we can work out the formula of their compounds by just balancing their valencies of the different atoms which occur in the compound. That's all. So while you want to find formula of molecular compounds, only one thing you should know. You have to learn the valencies. Even ionic compounds also. If you want to write the chemical formula, molecular compounds of chemical formula, or for ionic compounds, whatever it is, we should know what, we have to know the valency. Understand? So if we know the valency, then we can, by following the 3 steps, we can write the chemical formula. The 3 steps alone I am giving you now. So all of you learn the 3 steps. If you remember the 3 steps, then we can follow up the formulas. You don't need to write this. You have to remember in brain. That is what I want. So all of you try to understand. These are the 3 steps which we have to follow the writing a molecular formula or chemical formula. So what is the first one? We write the symbols of the elements which form the compound. What is that?
Compound.
Yes, symbols we should write. That is our primary duty. Next, below the symbols of each element, write down its valency. What is that? Write down its
Valency.
After writing the valency, we just cross over the valencies of the combining atoms. That's all. So we'll combine the atoms exactly together, and we will just over cross, and means this valency will go here, this valency will go here. Like cross, we will do the valencies. Understand? That is why this is called as crisscross method. What is that method? Crisscross method for writing the molecular formula of a given chemical compound. So if we'll see here, the first atom we will write on the valency of second atom, and as well as with the second atom we will write the valency of the first atom. Only where you should write front or subscript? Only at the subscript. Is it okay?
Right.
So this will give us the what? This will give us the required formula. In formula, if both the valencies will come as a division of particular number, suppose both will come 2, 2, then you have to write it always in the lowest fractions. Okay, Ra? Understand, guys? Fraction. That is what you have to remember. Okay, guys? That's okay. For example, 4 and 2 will come also. What do you have to do? You have to write by
2 and 1.
That is valency, like mass ratios. Okay. So if you remember this, then we'll go to the first one. That is all order wise. I will say totally how many steps? 3 steps. Correct?
3 steps.
3 steps. Now, first example. Example 1. Example 1. Whatever it is, textbook will come down vertically. We'll go horizontally. Your choice. Now, example 1. Hydrogen sulfide. What is that? Hydrogen sulfide. All of it. Hydrogen sulfide. What is the first step?
Yes,
primary step. What is the primary step?
Write down the symbols.
Symbol valency. First write symbols. Wait. First write symbols. Exactly. Symbols. Everybody involved. Hydrogen and sulfur. Is it okay? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Hydrogen sulfide.
Hydrogen sulfide, sir.
Sulfide. Valencies. Sulfide means sulfur only, Ra. Valencies. What is the hydrogen valency? Hydrogen valency. No plus, no minus. Don't think that table I have given. By seeing the table, tell me. Hydrogen valency. 1. Okay. Understand, Ra? Sulfur 2. Clear, guys? Any doubt in this? Sulfur 2.
No
Any
doubt.
doubt? No doubt. Clear? Please respond me. Now
Yes,
that's
sir.
all. So hydrogen and sulfur and 1 and 2. So just crisscross.
Crisscross method.
Crisscross. This valence will come here. This valence will come here. Where? In subscript. Where it is come? Subscript. Correct?
Subscript.
Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Formula
Yes,
will
sir.
become what?
Yes, sir.
2s1.
2s.
S1. S1 means 1, no need to say. So that it will become what? H2S.
Yes.
Clear? Hydrogen sulfide. Any doubt? Jayvarshini, Alana, Laksha, Manya, Samya? Everyone respond. Elmukil.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Tamil Selvan, are you repeating? Tamil Selvan, main important concept only he left out. Tamil Selvan, are you there? Ray, call him, Ray. Elmukil. Maitreyan, you call. Somebody call him. Tell him to join back. So what is the formula of hydrogen sulfide? Hydrogen sulfide.
H2S.
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 No.
H2S
Let
only.
us go with carbon dioxide. Second one. You have to write in the same way. Carbon dioxide. Dioxide. Symbols.
Carbon 4.
What is the symbol? C and O. Okay. Now, what is the valencies?
Carbon 4, sir.
Valencies. Carbon. Valencies.
4.
4.
Four,
Very
sir.
good. 4. Oxygen 2. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4 and 2.
2,1.
Crisscross method. Yes.
C2.
Sir.
E2. C2O4.
C2.
Correct?
Two
C2O4.
table we
What
can
I said,
cancel, sir.
both are divisible by some number. So what is happening?
Yes, sir.
They will have to
Two
bring
plus
into.
Sir, C1O2.
So
C1 O2.
by
C1
two.
O2.
Sir, by
Understand?
writing the
By
valency itself,
both
we
one
can
by
cancel
two.
now, sir.
It will give you C. What is that?
C1 2, sir. C1
C1O2.
O2.
Or we can write CO2. Is it okay? Sai,
Yes,
sir.
Ryan, CO2. Any doubt in this? Respond. Are you clear, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Sir.
Write it. Recall to Tamil Selvan to join it. Next. Like same way, we can go with the examples. Lot of examples we can make. In our textbook, they have given so many. Now, hydrochloric acid. Or sorry, hydrogen chloride, not hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen chloride. Example number 3. Hydrogen chloride. Tell me. Symbols. Symbols what? Hydrogen and
Hydrogen Cl.
H and Cl, sir.
next valencies. Valencies. One
Hydrogen 1.
chlorine also one.
Hydrogen 1, chloride 1, sir.
1, sir.
Cl, sir.
HCl.
HCl. HCl.
H1 Cl1.
Right, HC.
Or HCl.
That's all. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or no? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, in exam, they will ask you question like this. The question is, write the question. The valency of an element X is 1. The valency of an element X is 1. And the oxygen is 2. And the oxygen is 2. Oxygen is what? 2. What will be the formula of the compound? What will be the formula of the
Sir, the
compound?
valency of an element X is 1.
X is 1 and Y is 2. Y means oxygen. Oxygen is 2.
Oxygen.
So what is the formula? Can anybody say?
H2O.
Sir,
What is the formula?
H2O, sir. H2O,
Sir,
sir.
X2O.
H2O. Very good. That is X. X2O. Does the X indicate?
Sir, X2O, sir.
Yeah, that is. Okay, clear?
Its
Like-
valency is 1, sir. So hydrogen, sir.
Yes, yes. Are you understand, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now, this is what about what? Molecular compounds. What is that?
Molecular compound.
Molecular compound.
Molecular compounds, we should know only valency. It is plus or minus, we don't want. Yes or no? What is the number of
Yes, sir.
electrons in that? Okay, Ra? Now we are going to study what is that? Molecular ions now, molecular compounds over. Now we are going to study valency of ions, because without that we cannot write the chemical formula. Correct or not? That is why
Sir.
we are studying next one, valency of what? Ions. Okay.
Ions.
Valency of ions. So valency of ions means what? By donating or by receiving electrons.
Receiving.
So the valency of ion is equal to the charge on the ion. What is that? Valency
Charge on the ion.
is equals to charge on ion. Charge on the ion. Okay, guys? Please respond me. Charge on the ion. Okay, Ra? Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
We have a different kind of valencies. I already taught you. If it is having +1, then we should call it as monovalent cations. What we should call it? Monovalent
Monovalent cation.
Understand? If they're having +2, then what we should call divalent cations. All of you should remember, positive is called as positive ions
Cation.
is called as what? Cations. Okay.
Cation.
Now, same
Cation,
way,
sir. Negative anion.
ions is called as what? Anion.
Anion.
Understand? So now,
Yes,
if
sir.
only, understanding cations only +1 is there, what you should call? Monovalent.
Monocation.
Plus
Monocation.
there. Divalent. Plus
Trivalent
there.
cation.
Trivalent cation.
Trivalent
Trivalent
cation.
cation.
-1 is there. -2 is there. -3 is there. What you should call?
Monovalent anion.
Anion.
Divalent
Understand?
anion.
Anion.
Trivalent anion.
Same way. Monovalent anions, monovalent, divalent anions,
Yeah.
and trivalent anions. Understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
divalent and trivalent anions. Remember that. More divalent and trivalent anions. These are polyatomic ions. What is that?
Polyatomic ion.
Polyatomic ion.
Understanding, Ra? Please respond me. Polyatomic ion. So what is only polyatomic ion, which is positive? What is that? Which is positive?
Sir, ammonium.
Ammonium. NH4 plus. Except this, all are negative
All
only.
are-
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sai, Maitreyan,
Yes, sir.
Alana, that is. Lakshmi, except this. So, divalent of anions and divalent and trivalent of anions will give you what? Polyatomic ions. What is that?
Polyatomic.
Polyatomic ion.
Polyatomic ion.
That is you should remember.
Polyatomic ion.
Okay, guys, please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Now, right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Writing of chemical formula of ionic compounds. Writing of chemical molecular compounds over. Molecular compounds means you should learn what?
Sir, once again, scroll up, sir.
Yes or no? Only valencies. Okay, Ra? Now, if you want to write the molecular formula, ionic formula of ionic compounds, you should know what, Velamukil? We should know valence.
Charges.
Charge we should. Okay? That is right. Heading. Writing of formula of ionic compounds. Writing of formula of ionic compounds. But both are same only. No worry. But here we will represent with a charge. They're not charge. Only valency number. Yes or no? That is the only difference. Nothing is there. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
So here, in this formula also, cation should come first, anion should come next. What is that? Cation should come left side and anion should come on the right side. Is it okay? So here also same steps will follow, but valencies you have to get sign, negative or positive sign. Is it okay, guys? That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me take first example. Sodium carbonate. What is that? First example.
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate. Check your notebooks and tell me. Sodium carbonate. So, what is the symbol first? Symbols. Symbols, right? So, symbols. What is the symbols of sodium?
Sir,
N.
Na, sir.
Carbonate.
N, yes, sir.
CO3.
CO3.
Okay, guys. Please speak here. Valencies.
Yes, sir.
Sodium
One,
what?
sir.
+1.
One.
Carbonate -2.
-2.
Respond, Ra. Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
NaCO3 +1 minus.
-2.
Forget about the sign.
Na -2.
Only crisscross. Don't say -2. Na -2. Okay, Manish. So Na2 CO3 bracket 1. What is that? Bracket 1.
Bracket.
Together. Don't keep it very careful. So Na2 bracket 1 means same thing. Correct or not? That is why I will remove and write.
Sir.
This is what? Sodium carbonate. Okay, guys. Now bracket
Yes, sir.
more than 1 will come. You have to keep bracket. Okay, Ra? Jayvarshini?
Ah.
Yes,
Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That is-
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, everybody remember that. Okay, right. Next, second example. Magnesium chloride. Write fastly. Magnesium chloride. Anybody? What is the element?
Sir,
Symbols. Symbols. Tell me.
So MgCl, sir.
MG, sir. Symbol MG, sir.
Mg and Cl.
Cl. Okay, valence. Valencies.
2, sir. 2.
Divalent. Magnesium is what? Divalent. Chlorine is what? Monovalent.
Monovalent.
One, sir.
Cross
One,
over
one.
the valencies. Cross over the valencies, everybody.
Sorry,
Sir,
MgCl twice, sir.
MgCl2.
Sorry, MgCl twice, sir.
MGC.
MgCl2. Twice ille. Only single atom, correct?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Only polyatomic ion bracket should come. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
That is be very careful. Next. Now I will example say aluminium sulfate. Right. Third example. Aluminium sulfate. Solra. Aluminium sulfate.
Aluminium Al.
Aluminium sulfate.
Al, sir.
Yeah.
Al. Aluminium Al, sir.
Yeah. Aluminium Al sulfate. SO4. Or
4.
4, sir.
valencies. Valencies. Laksha aluminium.
3, sir. Aluminium 3.
3,
Aluminium
sir, plus 3.
Plus 3. Sulfate.
3.
Sulfate. Minus 2.
Minus
Okay.
2.
You have to learn this. Without learning, very
Yes, sir.
difficult. Plus 3 valencies. I have given already the tabular column, but still you people not learn. So what is the formula? Can anybody say? Al2
SO4 thrice.
Whole 3, sir.
Bracket 3 should come.
Bracket 3, sir.
because here more than one. Correct or not? So that is why nobody should
Sir.
write like this. Al2, somebody will write like this. Al2 SO4 3. This is wrong. Okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is more than one means bracket should come. Next. Aluminium bromide. Aluminium bromide. Aluminium bromide. Bromide. Symbols.
Al, sir.
Aluminium and
Sir,
bromide.
AlBr.
Bromide Br, sir.
Br. Valence. Check your notebooks and tell me. No issues. You have written correct. What is the valence?
Aluminium plus 3, sir.
Aluminium 3, sir.
Bromide.
Bromide 1, sir.
1. Minus 1.
1, sir.
So Al
Minus 1.
crisscross. Plus 3, 1. Minus 1. So what will come? Al
AlBr 3, sir.
1 Br3 or Al Br3?
1.
Yeah, Al1 Br3 or you can write Al Br3. Is it okay, Sai? Understand, Sai? Maitreyan?
Yes, sir.
Please respond me.
Sir, we
Sir.
should write that plus and minus also, sir.
No, plus and minus not required. Plus and minus will write means formula will change. It should not write. Okay, va?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, make
Sir,
me
in book they given in up they write the charges, sir.
charges. It's okay, no issues. Wherever you want. See, both I am trying to say one method, Elmokil. No worry. No, there is no problem. Okay? You no need to worry. Understand?
Okay, sir.
It's easy for you to follow.
Sir,
that.
next.
Yeah, book I will say, they will give like this. Book they will say, up mela they will give. Correct? Suppose,
Sir.
let me take calcium hydroxide. So book maybe they will give like this. Ca2 plus and
Sir,
oxide
like that only they give, sir.
OH minus 1. So they will give you by crisscrossing. Correct? That's
Sir.
all. So Ca1 OH twice. So which will give you CaOH twice. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir.
we are separately, that's all. Ca1 OH1. So here plus 2, here minus 1. So we are doing what? Crisscrossing. That's all. So here 1 will come and here 2 will. This is bracket. Okay. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Both are same. No worries. Okay.
Yes,
CA
sir. Okay, sir.
H2 whole 5.
Twice, not HO2 bracket whole and all. Twice. What we should call? Twice.
Twice.
MgOH twice.
Calcium. Next, magnesium hydroxide. Tell me.
Sir, MgOH twice.
Magnesium hydroxide. MgOH twice. Because Mg what? Mg plus
MG.
MG
2, sir.
minus
plus
1.
OH.
Minus 1.
Mg1
MGOH
will give you MgOH twice. Understand, Maitreyan? Everybody? So this is what? Writing a formula of ionic compounds. Okay? Very
Ionic compound.
So till here, whenever possible to me, I will send you the worksheet. I think the exam is on next Monday. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So no problem.
sir.
2 days time, like Saturday, Sunday. So most of the things will complete and will cover. So till here is our exam syllabus, and writing chemical formula is only most of the questions. Even case study also having chances. So formula, unit mass, molecular mass, chemical formula of molecular compounds, chemical formula of ionic compounds. So till here, any doubt, anybody can ask me. So this is what your syllabus for your half yearly examination. So all of you prepare very thoroughly for your first examination. So with this, I will stop the today's class. I hope you all understand very well. So thank you so much, everybody. So prepare very
Thank you,
hard,
sir.
prepare hardly for your classes. Okay, don't waste time. Prepare
sir.
hardly. Okay, thank you so much, all
Yes,
of
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. And those who are not there, I will send the worksheet. Those who don't have exams, I will send the worksheet like Jayvarshini, Sai and all. You have to prepare that full worksheet from the first. Okay, Jayvarshini, like first chapter, second chapter also worksheets I will send. This gap during these exams, you are free, correct? So by that time, every day as usual, you have to wake up and you have to complete that worksheets. Okay, that's all.